So we're in Maui. We're on the 4th floor, and we got a lot of stuff planned today. We've already been down to the beach and done some body surfing and some snorkeling. Saw some fantastic stuff. Plan for later on today, we are going to go check on horseback riding and some surfing, scuba diving, some bicycling, some luau stuff. So we found out that we have some construction next door. Gonna go to the store, get some. Listen to that. This is like being in Philadelphia, but the view's better.